Welcome to MathJip. In this lesson, we will convert 253.47 to binary, octal and hexadecimal formats. Let's start. First, we will convert binary number. So, 253.47 is a decimal number and we will convert to binary number. So, first 253 we will divide by 2 because the binary base is 2. So, 253 divide 2, it will be 126 and remainder 1, right. Then again we will divide by 2. So, here is 63, remainder 0, divide by 2. So, 31, remainder 1, divide by 2, 15, remainder 1, divide by 2, 7, remainder 1, divide by 2, here is 3, remainder 1, divide by 2, here is 1, remainder 1, and finally divide by 2, here is 0 and remainder 1. So, what is the most significant bit? In bottom, this one is a MSB, which is most significant bit. So, we will write from here to least significant bit, LSB, right. So, this one we can write what? 253 is a decimal number. After convert, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, then 0 and 1, right, 0 and 1, it's become binary. So, first part conversion done. Now, we will start this 0.7, we will multiply by 2. So, we will get what? We will get 0.94. Okay. So, here integer 0, then 0.94 times 2, we get 1.88. So, here is 1, this is 1. Now, 0.88 times 2 equals to what? 1.76. So, here is also 1. Now, 0.76 times 2, so it will be what? It will be 1.52, right. So, here is also 1. So, it will be continue, right, 0.52 times 2. So, here is 104. So, again here is 1, right. So, again 0.4 times 2, what will happen? 8. So, it will be 0.08. So, here is this one is integer nothing. So, 0. So, we can it will be continue. So, we will not get exact result. So, we can stop in here, right. So, in this scenario, the MSB is upper one and this is a LSB. So, we will start from upper to bottom. So, what will be the result? We can say 0.47 is a decimal and this one we can write here obviously at decimal point. So, 0 1 1 1 1 0 dot 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 because it will be continue. So, what's our ultimate result? Our result is 253.47. This is a decimal number and finally we get 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 0, then 1, then decimal number. So, here is similar 0 1 1 1 1 0 dot 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 and this is the binary sign. Okay, so our first number, which is binary, decimal to binary, done. Now we will convert to octal. So here is 253. First we have to divide by 8. So what will happen? 3 times 8 is a 24. So 3, and 25 minus 24 is a 1. So 1 3, it's a 13. So again 1. So here is 5, right? Then 31 we can divide by, so this one is 3. 3 times 8 is a 24. So 31 minus 24 is a 7. And finally, once you divide by 8, so 3 becomes 0 and remainder 3. Okay, so this is MSB and this is LSB. LSB, MSB. So our ultimate result 253, this is a decimal, equals to, this one is 375. It's a octal number. Okay, now 0.47 times 8, it will be what? It will be, you can use calculator, 3.76. So here is integer 3. Now 0.76 times 8, we will get 6.08. So here is 6. Then 0.08 times 8, it will be what? 0.64. So this is 0. So we can take another one, 0.64 times 8, it will be 5.12. So here is this one 5. So we can stop here because it will be continue, right? Because again of 0.12 times 8, so it will be 0.96, right? So here is 0. So we can write 0.47, it's a decimal number. After convert, this is MSB, right? Upper one is MSB, and this one is least significant bit. So we can write this one 0. Because it's after decimal, so 3605. We can keep this one, right? This one is a octal. So our final result, so 253.0.47, sorry, here should be 253.47. It's a decimal number, and our result is 375.3605. It's a octal number, right? 375.3605. So you can stop in here. So our second question, it means decimal to octal, done. Okay, so now we will start number C. It's mean decimal to hexadecimal. So first, for conversion hexadecimal 253, we will divide by 16. So 253, once you divide by 16, so here is, you can use calculator. So here is 15 and remainder is what? 13. 13 we can say D. Why? Because 10, 11, 12, 13 and 15, it's a B, C, D, E, right? So this one is C is a 13 is a D. Then we can divide this 16. So 15 divided 16, it will be 0 and remainder 15. 15 we can say what? 15 we can say, so look, 14 is a E, right? It was my mistake. 14 is a E and 15 is a F, right? So this is F. So what is the most significant bit? F is the most significant bit. So M is B and here is L is B. Therefore we can write 253 is a decimal number and this one is FD, this is hexa. Okay, so first part done. Now 0.47 times 16, what we will get? Once we multiply we will get 752, it means 7.52. so here is what? 7, because 7 is an integer. Now here 0.52 times 16, it will be 832, 8.32. so here is 8. Now 0.32 times 16, so what will be? 5.12. so here is 5. And then 0.12 times 16, so here is 1.92. so we can use 1. So we can stop in here because it will be continue. Therefore 0.47 is a decimal number and we get here 7 is a most significant bit and 1 is a less significant bit, MSB and LSB and MSB. So we can write 7 should be decimal 7851 and it will be continue, right? This is the hexa. So our final result, so 253.47 is a decimal and we can write FD 0.7851 dot 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 dot, this is a 16. So no more today, we are trying to complete solution decimal to binary, octal and hexa and our number is 253.47. So please subscribe my channel. I already start to publish number systems because it's a very important, right? For math and ICT, this is an essential part. So I don't want to neglect this one. So from now, algebra, exponent, trigonometry and number system I will publish in my channel, which is MathGym. And from now algebra will be published 2 or 3 videos per week and 1 or 2 video based on ICT per week. So stay tuned with me and share with your friends and family. Thank you.